Sushi, once a street food, now on every street corner. Copied, redundant, and boring. What happened to this fresh creative rap? Fresh onion, fresh pepper. Who says it needs to be raw? I say bring on the crab cake. Beautiful seafood, donut holes fried to a golden brown. Crush them up and layer it on thick. No, this isn't your father's California roll. Born at Union Sushi and Barbecue Bar. This is the Bay Street, California. This is how we roll.